Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 6th of January. And first of all, national news. Japan earthquake. PM Modi wrote to Japanese counterpart, offered assistance. ExpoSat launch on January 1, doing very well, ISRO Chief S. Somanath. We closed window of vulnerability, S. Jaishankar on Article 370 abrogation. 21 Indian fishermen detained by Sri Lanka for illegal poaching released. Karnataka cabinet okays ordinance making 60% Kannada mandatory on signboards. Must adopt AI driven approach. Amit Shah at police chiefs meet in Jaipur. International news. US Supreme Court agreed to hear Trump's Colorado ballot ban case. New York State seeks $370 million from Trump in civil fraud trial. UN relief chief said Gaza has become place of death, despair. Joe Biden to target Donald Trump in first 2024 campaign speech. 21 Indian fishermen detained by Sri Lanka for illegal poaching released. Pakistan Senate approved resolution to delay February 8 elections. Now some sports news. India women lead 1-0 in three-match T20 international series against Australia women. Rafael Nadal's comeback halted in epic encounter in Brisbane International. When overseas cricketers come to India on turning pitches, they should not complain. It's a skill they need to improve. Irfan Pathan. Business related news. India GDP advance estimated pegged financial year 24 growth at 7.3%, nominal GDP expansion at 8.9%. Nifty Sensex closed higher as L&T, TCS, Infosys lead market wrap. Bond yields rose as bets on March rate cut trimmed markets wrap. SEBI said institutional investors need to disclose short sales upfront. US payrolls pick up, wages gain as labor market stayed solid. Adani Wilmar quarter 3 update estimated to record best ever volume, rural sales robust. And that's all in news. Thank you.